Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Fold5. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, click on the same options on both devices. Begin by clicking on I agree at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in a white pop-up at the top and hit Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung smartphone. Following that, select Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Fold5. Also on Fold, scroll all the way down and tap on the best option for you to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. You can choose Yes, I agree or No, thanks. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window and then go back to Samsung smartphone. Now you can finally use all of those categories available at the top and choose multiple files right away. I will go with only a couple of photos just for example. Now, when you are finished, you can hit Send at the bottom right next to Selected. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon located above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!